Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is D, and today I will show you how to create a WordPress eBay dropshipping website. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so in this video we are going to make a WordPress website that has the ability to dropship and also has the ability to send products from our website to eBay. When somebody purchases from eBay, we can fulfill their orders automatically. AliExpress will ship the item for us and we get to keep the profit. This method has been proven to work for me, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's going to cost you a little bit of money to run a website, but it's going to make your life so much easier. Let's start by first install the website, then we are going to configure all the settings for your account. Okay guys, to install the website, first we need to go to millennialwebsite.com. Okay, there we can simply click the build website. Here, as you can see, we have a few available templates. We can browse any templates to see these templates are built to be responsive and ready to sell. As you can see, here is a actual working product. After you configure all the seller setting, you can literally sell to your customer right away. We can use this template for this tutorial. I will use the demo store. Okay, we can hit select to continue. Over here, this is the plan for your website. These plans are very reasonable pricing because it's offered you free custom domain name, SSL certificate, and others pro features like pro plugins. And yes, after you select the plan, we'll continue to the next step, which is enter the site title for your website. I will use a demo store. You can name your store anything, and this right here is the URL for your website. Make sure there's no space in the URL because we are going to use this keywords for the next step to choose your domain name. I will choose Boston store, for example. We'll hit continue to the next steps. Give it a little bit of time to load. Here we can pick the available custom domain name. I'm not going to choose. I'm just going to show you guys how it's done. I'll skip this step to go to the last one, which is create your user name and passwords so you can log into your dashboard later on. This website is built with WordPress. If you're already familiar with WordPress, then this is going to be very simple and easy to create a website. I'll come back after I create the username. Okay, once we're done, we can just hit the create account. Okay, the next step to activate your website, first we need to make the first payment for the website. To activate the website, it will take you to the Stripe payment gateway. This is a secure payment gateway powered by Stripe, so all your information going to be secure. We can enter our Visa, MasterCards, American Express, etc. Just enters your name on the card, your billing information, and then hit subscribe. Keep in mind, this is a monthly subscription for the websites with no contract. So once you don't want the website anymore, you can cancel anytime in your dashboard. This is going to be the lowest cost for you to start up a dropshipping website because a website need hosting. It need a domain name. It need SSL certificate to secure all the data between you and your customers. So this is pricing very competitive with Shopify and others e-commerce platform, and is very simple to use. If you have some experience with WordPress already, then this is going to be very simple. Okay guys, this is the front end of the website we just activated. We can log into the back end by pressing the my account. Here we can use the username that we created earlier. Here we are. We can click over here to our dashboard. Okay, as you can see, this is the back end of the dashboard. You may have a lot of junks over here. We can click over here, the screen options, to enable or disable the window that we want to see or don't want to see. Then hit apply. We have the dropshipping options here. And we have the eBay options here. First, we will guide you of how to add products to the website. Then I'll show you how to set up, connect your eBay account to the website. Then we can sync the products from AliExpress to eBay. Then you can also advertise your website, which is the front end. You can advertise the website via Facebook. You can advertise the website through Google AdWords. Just subscribe and follow my channels. I will try to upload a lot of new cool videos about website technology. Hey, I want to thank you for watching. I'm trying to make this video short and simple to follow. So in the next video, I will try to go through the AliExpress dropshipping settings and eBay product syncing. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channels, and I will see you in the next video.